What are our top deals this week? Getting that simple questions answer means switching to Salesforce, running a report, copying data back to Slack every single time. So much frustrating. Automating it needs enterprise license 1000 per month. Oh God, there had to be a simpler way. Thank God, now we have a solution. Meet our Bizpulse, an open source AI business intelligence agent that lives natively inside Slack. Connect to your Salesforce CRM in 30 minutes. No enterprise licenses, no complex setup. Just ask. Ask any business question in plain English and get instant AI analyzed answers from your live Salesforce CRM data. Text insights, charts. Mention Bizpulse directly in any channel. Your whole team get instant answers. No DM needed. Just like any colleague of your organization. Bizpulse is built on Slack Bolt Python, registered as a native Slack AI agent, using the Slack Agent Builder, one of the 3 required hackathon technologies. It connects to Salesforce CRM by OAuth 2.0, fetching live data on every query. Google Gemini AI analyzes the data and generates insights and recommendations. All responses are uses Slack Bolt Kit for rich native formatting. Pipeline analysis. 6 chart types. Heat maps. Bizpulse is for every sales teams, ops manager and startup founder. Using Salesforce and Slack without the enterprise budget. Deploys in 30 minutes. Ask questions in plain English. Get instant charts and AI recommendations. No dashboards, no exports, no context switching. Just ask. Bizpulse is a fully open source. Fork it, extend it, connect it to any data source. The future of business intelligence isn't a dashboard. It's a conversation. Bizpulse brings that conversation to Slack.